Assalamu alaikum students. Today our topic is unit number 4 in teachers exercise number 4.5. Solve minus 42 dividing by minus 7. 7 6 the 42, 7 6 the 42 minus minus plus. Now 36 dividing by 9, 9 fours are 36, 9 fours are 36 and sign will be plus plus plus. Now 65 dividing by 5. 5 ones are 5. When we minus 5 from 6, 15, 5 becomes 15, 5 threes are 15. And sign will be plus plus plus. Now minus 27 dividing by minus 3. 3 threes are 9 and sign will be minus minus plus. Now minus 26 dividing by plus 14. 14 nines are 126 and sign will be plus minus minus. Now plus 34 dividing by minus 17. 17 twos are 34 and sign will be minus minus plus. Now plus 260 dividing by minus 13. 13 twos are 26 and 0 comes as it is. The sign will be minus minus plus minus minus. Next question, minus 89 dividing by minus 21. 21 nines are 189 and sign will be minus minus plus. Now minus 155 dividing by plus 31. Now 31 fives are 155, sign will be plus minus minus. Now next question, plus 372 dividing by plus 124. 124 threes are 372 and sign will be plus plus plus. Now fill in the following box. 3 fours are 12. Now the box will be 4. What value on which the 16 is dividing the minus 2 come? The sign will be plus, plus minus, minus, and the 8 twos are 16. 8 twos are 16. Now, which value dividing by 5 minus 4 come? The sign will be plus minus, minus, and 5 fours are 20. Now, 30. On which value dividing by minus 6 becomes? Now, sign will be plus minus, minus, 5 6 the 13. Now box dividing by minus 8, answer is equal to 9. Sign will be minus 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 plus and the value will be 72. 8 nines are 72. Now 169 dividing by 13. 13 13 the 169 and sign will be plus plus plus. Now 8 dividing by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. Left hand side is equal to 4 and right hand side is equal to 2 multiply box. There will be 2 on both sides. 4 makes the 4. 2 twos are 4 and 8 twos are 4. Now 2 ones are 2, 2 eights are 16. Left hand side is equal to minus 8 and is equal to right hand side will be 4 multiply 2 multiply box. 2 multiply 4 8 and plus minus minus. In this way minus 8 on right hand side and minus 8 on left hand side. Minus 27 dividing by 3, minus minus plus, sign will be plus. 3 nines are 27. Now the 3 multiplied by 3, it also becomes 27. It also becomes 9. 3 nines are 27. Minus minus plus, plus 9, 3 threes are 9, plus plus plus. Now plus 252 dividing by 18. 18 14s are 252, sign will be plus plus plus. The values which have no sign, it have positive sign. Minus 195 dividing by plus 15. 15 13 the 195, sign will be plus minus minus. Now minus 480 dividing by minus 120. Minus minus plus, 124s are 480. Now plus 196 dividing by minus 28. minus minus plus minus minus 28 sevens are 196. Now minus 99 dividing by plus 11. 11 nines are 99, sign will be plus minus minus. Plus 2000 dividing by minus 40. Now this 0 cancel with this 0. 4 fives are 20 and this 0 comes as it is and sign will be plus minus minus. Now 40 multiply by 15, answer comes 2000.
Dear students, please subscribe our channel, press the bell icon, like, share and comment the video. Thank you very much.